Good morning, children. In the last video, I explained the 7 problems for you. Today, I will explain the 8th problem and I will give the steps for you. Afterwards, ninth problem, I will explain. So, the ninth problem, yourself, you have to do. Okay. So, the 8th problem I am showing here, I hope that you are having the textbook. So, come and look at your textbook. Otherwise, see this video. The cloth required to make a shirt of the school uniform for each boy is 1 meter 80 centimeter. So, to make a shirt, how much cloth is required? 1 meter 80 centimeter is required. Okay. Here two units are there, meters and centimeters. How many shirts can tailor stitch using 40 meters? So the tailor having how much? 40 meters cloth. 40 meters cloth he is having. In this cloth, how many shirts he can make? And how much cloth will be left? These two problems we have to solve. Before that one, once again I will explain this one. The cloth required to make a shirt of the school uniform for each boy. Each boy to prepare the shirt, how much cloth is required? 1 meter 80 centimeters. And how many shirts can tailor stitch using 40 meters? So in this 40 meters cloth, how many shirts he can prepare? He can stitch. And next question, how much cloth will be left? After stitching, how much cloth will be left? This problem we have to solve. So for that one, first step we have to write here. Look at here. How much cloth he is having? Length of the cloth tailor has. So the cloth will be in the length. So length of the cloth tailor has. How much cloth he is having? 40 meters. This 40 meters is there, but we will convert these meters into the centimeters. So to solve the problems, we have to make it here, this one to smallest units, meter to centimeter. 1 meter is equal to how much? 100 centimeters. So 40 meters means 40 into 100. So 4000 centimeters you will get. He is having 40 meters. We converted into the centimeters. That is the 4000 centimeters. Next. So to prepare the shirt, how much cloth he require? 1 meter 80 centimeter. This we have to write in the form of the step. The cloth required to make a shirt. To make a shirt for each boy. For each boy, how much cloth is required? 1 meter 80 centimeter. 1 meter 80 centimeter means 180 centimeters. 180 centimeter. To prepare a shirt, we need 180 centimeter cloth. Next, he asked two questions. The first question is, number of shirts a tailor stitch. How many shirts he can stitch within the 4000 centimeters. So what you have to do? Division. Divide the 4000 by 180. Means here, this is the total length he is having. This is the length of a shirt. How much length is required? How much cloth is required? 180 centimeters cloth. So both are having the same signs. So you can divide it very easily. How many shirts he will get? 22 shirts. So come and look at your division I done. 182s are 360. Subtract 40 you will get. Carry down the 0. 182s are 360. When you subtract you will get the 40. This is the length of the cloth left with him. After stitching the 22 shirts, this much cloth will be left with him. So he asked the question, no, last question, how much length is left? So length of the cloth left is equal to 40 centimeters. This is the 40 centimeters cloth will be left. I hope that you understand. So this much cloth he is having, how much? 40 meters. We converted the 40 into 40 meters to centimeters. That is the 4000 centimeter. To make a shirt, to stitch a shirt, this much cloth is required. 1 meter 80 centimeter. This also having the 2 units. So we converted into the 1 unit. Means your 1 meter is equal to 100. 100 plus 80. 180 centimeters. Number of shirts tailor stitches is equal to, do the division. You will get 22 shirts. And here the remainder will be 40. This is the length of the cloth left with him. So length of the cloth left is equal to 40 centimeters.